and you're right. I wanna be where you are. Run the bases in the back of your car. I wanna see what you see. Just pretend for tonight that you want me. Lady, 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 I've been talking kinda crazy, but I'm talking and you're listening. So lady, 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 have you thought about me lately? Cause I'm tired of this loneliness. But the truth, keep it from me.
Kapucyńskim Agnieszka Marszak będzie już występowała w towarzystwie braci, którzy będą wykonywali podobne ćwiczenia. Dziękujemy Pani Agnieszko.